Okay, I'll just show you how to play music or stream audio in this 2017 Range Rover Vogue. First of all, you go to music, pick a record that you like. Go on, we'll click that one. I'll click play onto there. I'm going to turn it down. You see at the bottom there the silver triangle and the 3 silver circles. You've 2 options there. It will either play through your iPhone speaker or your Range Rover. Range Rover's ticked, so we'll go back to the record. Over here to the system, I'm going to turn that down, and then we want this music symbol, the note symbol and the clapperboard. Click on that. That's on the radio at the moment. However, you go up to source, click source, and then that gives you your other options. Television, media library, Barry's iPhone Pro 13, that's the one. So click on there, it's showing you what's playing. Just click that again because it's when I've gone onto there, it's gone off. So I'll click that, I'll turn this up here, turn it up here. So that's how you stream audio.